this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect GatesFX to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser. Then from here, you'll need to go up to GatesFX.com and log into your account. From here, it should look something like this. In here, you'll need to go over to the menu and down to your account and open either a live account or a demo account. This will work both ways. From here, you'll need to go down to your account overview once you have created one. And then from here, you'll see down under your wallet accounts or demo accounts, the one that you want to connect to Metatrader 5. From here, you'll need to view it over here in the right hand corner. And then from here, you'll get all of the login credentials. And what you need is essentially the trading code platform password that you can change by clicking right here, the trading platform login right here, and lastly, the server, which will be GatesFX. From here, you'll need to open up Metatrader 5 on your computer or your smartphone device. From here, you'll need to go up to File and then open an account. From here, you'll need to add in GatesFX on the search bar here and click Find Your Company. Then from here, it should be visible down here in the previews, and then you'll need to click Next. From here, you'll need to click Connect with an existing trade account. And then from here, you'll need to add in your login detail, your password, and then you'll want to add in the GatesFX Live or GatesFX account. From here, you'll need to click Finish. Then from here, you have successfully linked GatesFX to Metatrader 5. That's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!